nabanggit niyo po yung may bago kayong mechanism after po ng meeting niyo kanina with the
What's the mechanism?
Opo.
It was all about list making, not about the payout. List making muna tayo.
Opo.
Bago mechanism, we made the TNCs more responsible.
Oh, okay. So tutulong sila, Sir Nan,
Dapat,
in the coming
from
payouts.
day one, sila naman ang gumagawa ng listahan eh. Pero ang dating kasi sa amin, hindi nila naiintindihan yung severity ng pagiging careless nila eh. So itong presentation na to, pinakita namin yung klase ng trabaho na sinasubmit nila. At kung bakit kami na ang tinatamaan sa klase ng trabaho nila. So, and DIC, kasi hindi nila ako regulate. Ang DSWD, hindi nila regulator eh. We regulate foundations, people's organizations, but we don't regulate transpo groups. So wala akong sanctioning power over them. But nag-usap kami ni Secretary Lopez at ng LTFRB na they will impose sanctions sa mga hindi pa susunod ngayon. They have been imposing sanctions, but they will be more firmer. Maybe you have to ask them anong sanctions yun. Kasi, kumbaga yung kanina is our last, we told them this is it. Fix your list. You know, we have close to around 150 of them upstairs. Almost all major ones are upstairs. Noon kasi ang nangyayari, ang umaaten lang yung malalaki. Minsan hindi pa. Ngayon, pati yung maliliit, lahat nandyan. Kasi baka nga yung mga alingas-ngas na hindi nakakatanggap is because of yung maliliit mismo. They were very conscious with the rules.